Every morning when a woman wakes up, the world is already waiting for her, not with applause, but with expectations. Make breakfast, pack things, clean this, fix that, be polite, be responsible, be available. And somewhere between all these commands, she has to squeeze in her dreams too. For most men, the day starts with a plan. For women, the day starts with a to-do list. A list that nobody appreciates, nobody writes down, and nobody checks off except her. But she still wakes up, ties her hair, washes her face, and gets going. Because that's what women do. They always move forward. And look at me living this life. My day doesn't start with what do I want to achieve today. My day starts with what needs to be done first. Is the house okay? Is everyone fine? Is the office ready? Are the people depending on me supported enough? And somewhere in between making tea and making decisions, I realize something. What this society calls normal for a woman is actually the biggest training ground for leadership. Because let's be honest, men don't have to switch roles every 10 minutes. They don't have to worry about whether the rice is being boiled properly while attending a Zoom meeting. They don't have to finish office work and then run to organize the house or vice versa. Men don't get judged for being too ambitious, and most importantly, they don't get guilt-tripped for taking time for themselves. And that's the very reason why when a man becomes a leader, people clap, but when a woman becomes one, she has actually climbed an entire mountain while cooking, cleaning, caring, fixing, and keeping everyone else together. And in between all this, the world still asks, but did she really do it? Like, what did she do? Well, everything. She did everything. And I'm not saying all of this to show off, or I'm not sharing this to show off. I'm just sharing this because girls need to stop underestimating themselves. They need to stop believing that their multitasking is normal. It is not normal, girls. It is strength, it's resilience, it's brilliance in disguise. All my life, I've only seen girls shrink their achievements. I only got this because of support. I shouldn't dream too big. My family won't like it. I guess men are just better at leadership. No, they are not. They just don't have to fight the battles you fight before even stepping out of the house. And look, I completely get it, okay? We can't skip reality. Not everyone can leave behind everything, pack a suitcase and run towards freedom. Some of us have families, responsibilities, and people we care about. But that doesn't mean that we stop dreaming. If life gives you obstacles, walk slower, but just walk. If life gives you responsibilities, carry them. But don't drop your ambitions in between. Even if the journey feels heavy, remember this: heavy journeys build stronger women. So today, whatever you see in this vlog, me cooking, cleaning, working, leading, solving, smiling, this is not just a busy day. This is a woman proving that she can do 100 things and still show up for her dreams. To every woman watching this video, please understand that you are doing enough, you are strong enough, you are capable enough, and that your story matters. Please make sure you take the credit, take the space, take your dream seriously. You're not competing with men, you're competing with the version of yourself that society told you not to settle for. And always remember, maybe the world won't clap for you today, maybe they won't understand the weight you carry, but one day a younger girl will look at your life and whisper to herself, if she could do it, maybe I can do it too.